Hey there, are you a student looking for an easy way to make some extra cash from home? Today, I'm going to guide you through one of the simplest methods out there. Online surveys. Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick around, and let's dive into how you can actually make this work for you. First off, let's talk about why companies are willing to pay for your opinion. Businesses are constantly looking to improve their products and services, and they need real feedback to do that. That's where you come in. By sharing your thoughts, you're helping them make better decisions. So, how do you get started? Step 1. Find legitimate survey sites. There are loads of options out there, but some of the most trusted ones include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Pinecone Research. These platforms are known for paying their users fairly and consistently. Step 2. Sign up and create a profile. Make sure to fill out your profile accurately. This is important because survey sites use this information to match you with surveys that are relevant to you. The more detailed your profile, the more surveys you'll qualify for. Step 3. Start taking surveys. Once you're signed up, you can start taking surveys right away. Some surveys might only take a few minutes, while others could be longer. The payout usually depends on the length and complexity of the survey. Now let's talk about managing your time. As a student, you've got a lot on your plate, so it's crucial to fit surveys into your schedule without overwhelming yourself. Set aside a specific time each day or week to knock out a few surveys. It could be during your commute, lunch break, or even while you're chilling at home. One thing to keep in mind is that you won't get rich overnight. Online surveys are more about earning a little extra pocket money rather than a full-time income. But hey, it's perfect for covering small expenses like books, snacks, or even a night out with friends. Here's a quick pro tip. Consider signing up for multiple survey sites to maximize your earnings. This way, you'll always have a steady stream of surveys to choose from. Just be sure to stay organized and keep track of which surveys you've completed and which ones are still available. Before I wrap up, let's address a common concern. Are online surveys safe? For the most part, yes. However, always be cautious about sharing personal information. Stick to well-known, reputable survey sites and never pay to join a survey site. Alright, that wraps up our guide on making money with online surveys. I hope you found this helpful and that you'll give it a try. Remember, every little bit counts, and who knows, you might even enjoy sharing your opinions and getting rewarded for it. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tips and tricks, and share this with your friends who might be interested. Thanks for watching and good luck with your survey taking journey.